Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm just going to do a quick video today. I'm getting supers ready for the next flow. This is just a simple 10 frame super that I purchased online. Super easy to put together. The components are just 4 pieces. You've got your top bar, your bottom bar, your 2 sides. You do get some nails with it, and these are pre-waxed. This is the first time that I bought pre-wax. You can smell the wax on them. I am starting to warm up some wax just in case some of them are missing. I've got some wood glue, and you get small nails with them. So I always start with the top bar, dab of glue, single nail, turn it over. Super easy to put together. Little dab of glue, and then put frame into the slots. Put your bottom piece in. Line up that frame. Little tap, single nail. That's it. Super easy. The reason why I use the glue is it just adds a little more strength for when you're, if the propolis is really heavy, that glue just gives you a little more strength of not to break that top frame when you're pulling them out. How I would wax them if they were not pre-waxed. This is the easiest way of doing it. You never overboil your wax, plus you never get past about 190. And I let it warm up, and that's just a single run, and next. Super easy. See you on the next video.